other sodium and potassium salts.
Hi guys, welcome back. Ooh, why are we not centered? Let me check you. There we go. Here at Daiso because I want to get some pup essentials like to organize his food, Simba's food, and yeah. So we're gonna see what they have. Just going in and out. Try not to waste. Today is payday, so I'm not trying to waste too much. But I will see you guys once we get inside. Hey guys, so I just got back. Actually, a few minutes, an hour ago, to be exact. But I'm gonna show you what I got from the stores. So first up, I went to Daiso, and I only went to get Simba's measuring cup to measure his food and then his spatula to take out, because I gave him pumpkin puree, Greek yogurt. I'm gonna start giving more like to kind of mix up his dry food with his wet food. So that's what I got him for. So I got this one, and then I got some more Kleenex tissues that I use for my makeup to like take makeup off or whatever. And then I got them sandals for at home. So then I went to Target, and then I got some more whitening mouthwash. Why did I say whitening? More mouthwash. And then I got some hair ties. So the only reason I went here is because now that it's getting more chilly, more colder, I have my Stanley cup and my modern cup, but I only use that for water or like ice and stuff like that. I don't like to mix my water with like hot drinks or anything like that. So I wanted to and I saw this last time at Academy that they had the small tumbler cups. So that's what I got. I got one for myself and one for my mom. Yeah, so this is my mom's, and then this is mine. So that in the mornings I can take my hot tea, coffee, or anything like that. But yeah, guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead and take my makeup off, get ready for bed, and thank you so much for watching for today's first part of the vlog. And I will see you guys tomorrow or whenever I pick up the camera. Bye. Korea. They open early. We are open 365 days a year, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Yeah. So pretty. For real. Oh my god, I'm gonna get this one. What's a chilarte? I'm gonna try this one. Bye. Okay, where are we going? We need seaweed. Seaweed. Seaweed is over here. Seaweed is over here, honey. That's where they buy their boba. Honey, we're getting this one. So yeah. Oh, it's so cold. I'm cold. Why is it so cold? I guess we'll take this one. We'll take this one. I can use that one. Okay, let's go. Yeah, pushy girl. Hi guys. I'm embarrassed. Okay, action. Camera. Lights. Action. Look at this girl right here. Hey, we just came from hmart and we're gonna go now to the dentist for someone needs to get her teeth washed. Anyways, we came to hmart for later for our lunch. So the first thing we got was seaweed. We got ramyun. Okay, this is mine. This is my sister's. And then we got pickle radish. And then we got watermelon aid. I wish it had the little cup so we can just pour it and sip it, but it's okay. I could do that at work. Anyways, I got the watermelon one. So yeah, that's all we got. And then we're gonna get bottle kimbap after our dentist appointment, and that's gonna be our lunch for the day until tomorrow, guys. We'll see you guys once we get to the dentist or whatever. Any cute guys pass by? Huh? Any cute guys that pass by? My phone. Oh. No wonder we can't ever get voice. You. Bye, guys. Uh-uh.